Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're looking at something that's trying to blur the line between a gaming tablet and a portable console. The RedMagic Astra gaming tablet. RedMagic has always been about pushing mobile hardware for gamers. And this time, they've gone all in on creating a tablet built for speed, responsiveness, and immersion. The first thing that catches your eye is the design. The Astra looks aggressive but sleek, with angular accents, subtle RGB lighting on the back, and a premium metal frame that feels solid in the hands. It's thin for the power it packs, and the edges are contoured to make it comfortable to hold during long play sessions. The bezels are slim, but just thick enough to give you a good grip without accidental touches. Firing up the tablet, you're greeted with a stunning AMOLED display. It's large, sharp, and ridiculously smooth, thanks to its ultra-high refresh rate. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and motion is buttery even in the fastest action games. HDR support adds that extra punch in supported titles, making bright effects and dark environments look fantastic. Performance is where the Astra flexes its muscles. It's powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon flagship chip with an overclocked GPU plus RedMagic's own cooling system adapted for tablet form. Whether it's Genshin Impact at max settings, Call of Duty Mobile at peak frame rates, or even heavier Android ports, it handles everything without dropping frames. Cooling is a big deal here. RedMagic has brought their active cooling tech from their phones, so there's a tiny built-in fan that kicks in during long gaming sessions. It's quiet enough that you barely notice it, and it keeps performance consistent without thermal throttling. Audio is another highlight. The Astra packs quad speakers tuned for gaming, with punchy bass and clear mids, giving you a surprisingly immersive soundstage for a tablet. Paired with DTS:X Ultra support, directional audio in shooters and racing games feels more accurate. The RedMagic gaming software experience is well thought out. With Game Space Mode, you can tweak performance profiles, block notifications, monitor frame rates, and even enable touch trigger enhancements for more responsive controls. It also supports RedMagic's detachable gaming controllers, which click into the sides and turn it into a more console-like experience. Battery life is impressive for the performance you get. The Astra packs a large cell that can last a full day of mixed use, or several hours of non-stop gaming. Fast charging means you can top it up quickly and jump back in without long waits. Connectivity is strong. USB-C with video out, Wi-Fi 7 for blazing multiplayer connections, Bluetooth for controllers and audio, and even 5G options on certain models for gaming anywhere. Price-wise, the Astra is positioned above regular Android tablets, but you're paying for performance, cooling, and gamer-focused features you won't find in a standard device. Pros: gorgeous display, top-tier performance, excellent cooling, loud and clear speakers, and gaming-focused software. Cons: a bit heavier than regular tablets, and the design is clearly aimed at gamers, which might not suit everyone. Final verdict: the RedMagic Astra gaming tablet isn't trying to be a general-purpose iPad competitor. It's built for people who care about high frame rates, low latency, and console-like immersion in a portable form. If gaming is your main priority, this might be the most fun you can have on a tablet right now. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you liked this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the latest in gaming and tech gear.